National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, Chester County in southeast Pennsylvania. This includes the city of Westchester, western Delaware County in southeast Pennsylvania, western Montgomery County in southeast Pennsylvania, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:16 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from New Morgan to 9 miles northwest of Homeville to 13 miles southwest of Glenroy, or along the line extending from 8 miles south of Reading to 12 miles southeast of Lancaster to 24 miles west of Newark, and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. The strongest winds may occur along the leading edge of the line. Severe thunderstorms will be near Birdsboro, New Morgan, Mount Vernon, and Glenroy around 4:25 p.m., Homeville, Parksburg, Oxford, and Elverson around 4:30 p.m., Cochranville around 4:35 p.m., Gilbertsville around 4:40 p.m. This line of storms may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait to hear thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Tuesday evening for Delaware and northeastern Maryland and New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, Delaware, and Montgomery.